everyone. The first thing that I'm going to start is, so I just got the bike, it was just delivered. So right now, the first thing I'm going to do is install the frame covers, the carbon frame covers from Ducati. So I'm going to start, I'm going to install a couple more things today and I will show you right after. But in all honesty, I'm going to do the frame covers and the instrument cover over here. And I think we'll call it a day after, and tomorrow I'll do the fender eliminator and the flashers. And installing all these things is pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of time. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna install the CRG mirrors tonight. Gotta be careful and pull this out of the way. There's some Velcros and some clips. Gotta be careful not to break anything. So battery cover is off. Next, we're gonna remove the bearings on the side. And this is just 3 screws. One, two, and 3. Couple of Velcros and clips. Gotta be careful. Just separate everything. Be gentle and it'll come off. There's one clip just right around over here with the washer. It'll come out if you just pull. There you go. Now from that, we move to installing the first frame cover. Now notice that I have to remove the screws over here to slide the frame cover in so it fits. And these are all really easy to take out, but once you're done, just leave them there and you don't touch them ever again. Just hope I don't drop it. There you go. I removed the original double-sided tape that was on this and I replaced it with Gorilla Glue clear double-sided tape just because I feel that it adheres more. And the white foam-like double-sided tape I don't like because it's really hard to remove after. All that holds this here is just some double-sided tape. That's all it is. So just slide this in here. Press this in place. So I removed the bottom screw on this plastic molding over here so I could really fit the frame cover correctly. It's just one screw. So I'm gonna put it back in place. And then we're done with this side. Okay, frame cover 1 installed. Now we're gonna put back the plastics. So we install the frame cover. Now we'll just put the plastic. As simple as that. And we screw everything back together. That is it. Carbon frame covers installed. Those 2 little pieces make a big difference on the bike. I'll follow up with a video of the instrument cover. Thank you guys.